Hello, how's everyone out there? Ayan, we just got received the order from Lazada. So tara, i-open natin to. Gamit to sa kitchen. Pang luto. So tara, kung worth it ba to? In-order natin sa Lazada. And there's more here. Yan. So, hindi natin papahabain yung video natin. Dahil wala tayong enough storage. So, short video lang to. Kaya, i-speed na natin itong natin video para mas mabilis. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang laman nito. One stick. Mostly naman kapag umorder kami sa Lazada, majority is worth it naman. Worth it yung mga things. Tsaka minsan rin sila. Yung nagsisale, kaya mas maigi kapag binili mo ng nakasale sila kasi makakasave ka. Kasave ka ng malaki. Makakasave ka ng malaki. And it's free delivery already. Laki nito, oh my gosh. Let's see kung worth it ba to. Laki, grabe. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh. Looks nice, oh. Let's see. Pag-sampung ini, bish. Lid. The lid. There's one more here. A small one here, oh. Grabe. Parang, I like the quality. Look, oh. Napaka, oh. High quality niya, oh. Oh, wow. What's this? Okay. Oh my god, this is what I'm looking for. Ang kapal, mga besh! Look, oh. May pang na tayo, pang sabaw. Oh my god, look at this. I like the quality really, oh. High quality siya, mga besh. Kaya, umorder na kayo sa Lazada, makakasave pa kayo ng mas malaki. And there's one more here. Big one. Ooh! Ang kapal, oh. Look. Kapal niya, grabe. Ito yung gusto ko. 3. 1. Lagay natin dito sa baba. And there's another one here. Where is the lid? Right here, the lid is over here. Oh. 2. Nag-igano na lang natin para magkasya tayo dito. Kaya wala tayo muna. Makakapal siya, mga besh. Makakapal yung Ganda talaga yung quality. Grabe, super. Oh, this is for frying, oh. Fry. So, kapag nag-away kayo ng partner mo, ito yung ipagmok mo sa kanya. Joke lang. So, ito yung pang third one natin. Walang pang takip. So, we're just gonna use this, the second one. Put the lid on here. Wait. It's working. Ito yung fry, pang natin, fry. So, bali, yung pangalawang natin, ito, gamit din yung second, third one. Grabe, ang ganda. I love it! Ang ganda ng quality, as in, super hindi ka magsisi. Then, ito yung pang fourth natin. Let's see. So, So ngayon, pag nag-aasawa ka, ganito na, hindi ka na, hindi ka na excited sa mga sandals, shoes. Kapag nag-asawa ka, dito ka na ma-excite. Lalo na kung mahilig ka magluto. Gusto mo yung magagandang gamit, oh. I love it, really. Ito yung pang last one natin. Oh my God, I love it, really. There you go. Bili na kayo, bish, oh. Napakaganda ng quality. High quality talaga siya, oh. Tapos kapag nagluluto ka, hindi yan agad-agad maamoy. Ceramic mga bish, oh. It's, worth 2,500 plus for 4 pieces of them. It's worth it, really. Kaysa bibili ka sa mall or doon sa mga hardware. Sa SM. Mas mahal to doon. Nag-promo sila sa Lazada kaya mas mura. Ang dami, 4 of them. I'll show you. There you go. Ceramic yan, oh. Ceramic. They're really nice though. I love it. Ito yung pang number 4, oh. Oops, natanggal. Yung pang number 3 natin, yung pang third one, wala tayong takip. But, the second one, it's working naman for the third one. Oh my gosh. So, we have some more here to open. This is for my exercise pants, short pants. Para healthy living tayo. Kung gusto mo long life, you have to do the exercise. Kahit 3 times a week. And look at this. Oh, what's this? This one is gray. I like that tila. Oh, the fabric. Look, oh, stretchable. This one is gray. Gray. May short pants na tayo. From Lazada. Ang ganda ng quality, oh. Oh my gosh. I love the fabric. There's one here. Medium yung size natin mga bete. Lumaki na tayo. Sorry. Ito yung pangalawa. The black one. Ang ganda. Let's see. Sakto lang, oh. Oh, sakto lang. I love it. Stretchable yan. May pa tayo, coming soon. Yung long pants na yung pang exercise din natin. Oh, nakasave ka na. Tapos may pa dito, pang beauty natin. Para iwas wrinkles. Sa Lazada rin to. Let's see kung okay din ba to. There you go. Promo din ito mga fish. Ito yung gamit ko since 2016. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Olay, olay, olay. Uli lang talaga. Uli lang yung gamit. Doon tayong hiyang sa uli. Kaya, ang hirap buksan. I can't open it though. So, a lot of it. Wow, grabe yung nila. Packaging, napaka mahirap siya hard to open. Oh, look at this. Wow, naka pa talaga yan, oh. Fragile. Wow, look at that. Yung uli natin, oh, pang beauty natin, oh. Taran! Ang ganda. I love it. Favorite ko din kasi nagkayaan sa Olay. Iwas wrinkles. Ito yung gamitin. So, that's it for today. Bye-bye. Ingat and God bless. Oh, bumagalaw-galaw na naman yung camera. So, that's it for today. Ingat everyone. God bless po. Bye-bye. Nalaglag.